Welcome back to the Wholesaling Quickies, the series where I have to get information out in less than 5 minutes so you can pay attention the entire time. All right, so today we're going to be talking about the web formula, where in buyers buy. So essentially, we're going to teach you how to comp and underwrite in less than 5 minutes. So this is my neighborhood, okay? We're going to be using pins, markers, and scissors as an analogy. So each one of these pins and markers signifies a house. So this little green highlighter right here, this is going to be our subject property. We spoke to a seller. This is our house. So we have to figure out how much could that house be worth if it were fixed up, and how much would an end buyer buy that for? Now, let me ask you a question. If you're looking around our neighborhood and this is our subject property, see it's slightly used, it's older, it's big, it's thick.
What did he say?
All right, we got to find something similar to this. Now, we've got this in the neighborhood. Is this like this? No, this is a pair of scissors. That's not a comp, okay? Then we got this little skinny fucker over here, this little pencil. Is this a comp? No, this is a pencil, this is a highlighter. It's not a comp. Now, is this similar to our subject property? Why, yes, it is. It is a highlighter. It's thick. It's got this little thing, eraser up at the top. It looks the same size, just different colors. That's it. But this one's fresh. See, it wasn't used. This is used and abused. This one's not. This could be the after repair value comp. What did someone pay for this fresh, beautiful blue highlighter? That's the after repair value comp. All right, let's look around further. What do we got over here? We got another highlighter, used and abused, just like this.
Nice.
It's our little comparable as is comp. Well, an investor bought this one. What did they pay for it? That's what an investor is willing to pay in the area. So what did they pay? That's what you should try to sell this for. That's how you know where your end buyers buy. The rest, pointless. I don't care. I found my after repair value and I found where end buyers buy. Now, if you didn't get the analogy,
Do you speak English?
you can watch this video right over here where Cassie explains it for like 35 hours. And you can also buy training at kingclosersformula.com/titaniumprofits. See you on the next one.